TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 12 noon Eastern time, middle of the trading day, and most of the markets, the major indices, currently in the red as everyone is awaiting the 2 p.m. announcement from President Trump as to whether he will stay in the Iran deal, and we'll see how that jumps out. We're going to jump over to oil in a second. Some definite volatility in the oil contract. Dow Jones negative by 34 points currently, S&P's negative by 4, and the NASDAQ currently negative by 10 points. So let's jump over to the Nadex platform. We're going to close these out. So we're going to jump right back into oil. So it's 12:01, and look at this volatility. So if you were with us on the air during the 10 o'clock hour, we were looking at some potential volatility trades for oil in anticipation of some volatility leading up to that 2 p.m. announcement. And we have gotten some volatility and then some, and we still have 2 hours until that planned announcement. So the news coming out there is that you had first CNN saying that he is expected to announce that he will allow sanctions to go forward, but giving some time, as in that they would take a couple of months to implement. Potentially, sanctions could take months to go into effect, giving the U.S. government some time to possibly renegotiate. And then on the heels of that, you get Trump telling Macron, President Macron of France, that he will withdraw from the Iran nuclear deal this morning in a telephone call. So those are the two events, and that is where you see the first step with oil plummeting, thinking that maybe we wouldn't pull out full stop. Maybe there'd be time for a renegotiation. Oil proceeds to drop. These are 5-minute bars, $1.40 in the span of 5 minutes. And then you get the second report that no, he is going to pull out. He had told the president of France. So volatility either way, looking at that trade would have been a sweet volatility trade with $70 being our price point. But guess what? 2 hours still left to go. Until that announcement, 2.5 hours left in these daily contracts. Pretty cool nonetheless. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned, folks. Have a great day.